friends. I was gonna say guys, but
so basic.
so today's video, I'm gonna be cooking for you. I had no idea what to do, so I went on my little Instagram story and I was like, hey, does anyone have any suggestions? No one was really answering. But then my special friend was like, do a cook with me, something exotic. And so today I'm gonna be cooking chocolate chip cookies. And I know that's not very exotic, but I can't cook necessarily anything exotic, but I can be unique, okay? So, you know what we're cooking? Well, I said what we were cooking, obviously. We're putting cereal in it, baby.
Cereal in my chocolate chip cookies.
I looked up different things to put in your chocolate chip cookies, and that was one of them. Don't think I'm original. Anyways, this lighting's really good, right? It's like, oh, I look so much prettier than I do in real life. But this isn't where we're gonna be filming, which is so sad. Let's start cooking. First step, 2 cups of Crisco buttery flavored shortening. I don't do Crisco, I'm a real baby. So, I lied. We ran out of butter and had to use half Crisco, half butter. Yeah. 1 cup of Crisco. It said butter flavored Crisco, and this isn't. But it's edgy and different. Am I right? 1 cup of sugar and 2 cups of brown sugar. Done putting the brown sugar in. Let's put the sugar in. 4.5 cups of flour. Wow. 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half. Caught me.
Just add salt and baking soda.
Did this in my video where I was like, get ready with me for a middle school dance, and to me now. Okay. Time for the wet ingredients. 4 well-beaten eggs. You got eggs? From my chickens. My chickens pooped them out of the butts. Now I'm eating it. I'm gonna cut that out, that's disgusting. Sorry. Psych, I'm gonna ruin your life. Orange and stuff. See, now it's coming together now that we got the eggs in there. Now, come together right now. Over me. I ate a watermelon. It went down the wrong tube. Let's add the chocolate chips in there.
Baby, that's the fun of me.
Put cocoa dynamite in there. I'm just gonna plate the cookies really quick, and then I'll show you what that looks like, I guess. So these are my cookies, all plated. I'm afraid I may have put them a little close together, but I wanted to put as many on the plate as I could. Yeah. We'll see how they turn out. So, I think I slightly overcooked them because they were still really wet in the middle, but it's okay. I made them huge. They're big. They're huge. Right, Mom? They're huge. I guess we'll just see how they taste.
These cookies are really good.
Are you honest?
Mm-hmm.
What's different about them?
Air crunchier.
Why do you think that?
Can you put it in the oven longer?
I put cereal in it.
I can taste a little bit of cereal.
Yeah. Okay.
But this is really good.
Thank you.
Awesome. Very good.
Last and final check-in. In my opinion, the cookies were okay. I mean, they're pretty sweet, and I'm not a huge sweet fan, but I believe that's how all cookies are. If I'm crazy off, tell me. Just kidding, that was so dumb. Like, was that even a joke? No, it wasn't. Heather, you're so stupid. So, if I did anything wrong, let me know. If you have any tips for me while cooking, let me know. I'm gonna go ride a bike or something because I'm fat and I need exercise. Bye.